Hello, here are some simple everyday English conversations. Let's start.
Booking a hotel room.
Hello, I would like to book a room for next weekend.
Certainly. For how many nights?
2 nights, Friday and Saturday. Check out on Sunday.
Perfect. How many guests?
Just 2 adults, my husband and me.
Would you like a room with 1 king bed or 2 single beds?
1 king bed, please. Do you have rooms with a view?
Yes, we have ocean view rooms and city view rooms.
How much is the ocean view room?
$120 per night. The city view is $90.
I will take the ocean view room. Does it include breakfast?
Breakfast is included in all our rooms. Buffet style from 7 to 10.
Excellent! Is there free parking?
Yes, parking is free for all guests.
Great! Does the room have Wi-Fi?
Yes, free high-speed Wi-Fi throughout the hotel.
Perfect! Is there a swimming pool?
Yes, we have an indoor pool open until 9 p.m.
Wonderful! Can I pay when I arrive?
Yes, or you can pay now online for a 10% discount.
I will pay now then. What information do you need?
Just your credit card and email address, please.
Here is my card. Thank you for your help.
Taking a taxi.
Taxi, are you available?
Yes. Where are you going?
To the airport, please. International terminal.
Sure. Get in. Do you have much luggage?
Just 1 suitcase and a carry-on bag.
No problem. I will put the suitcase in the trunk.
Thank you. How long will it take to get there?
About 30 minutes if traffic is good.
I hope there is no traffic. My flight leaves at 2 o'clock.
What time is it now?
It is 12:15. I should have enough time.
Yes, you will be fine. What airline are you flying?
United Airlines. I am going to New York.
Nice. Business or vacation?
Vacation. I am visiting my sister.
That sounds wonderful. Here we are on the highway now.
Good. The traffic looks okay. How much will the fare be?
About $45 plus tolls.
Okay. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, I take cards and cash.
Perfect. Can you drop me at departures?
Of course. Have a great trip.
Thank you so much.
At the gym.
I am interested in joining this gym.
Welcome. Have you been to our gym before?
No, this is my first time. Can you show me around?
Absolutely. Follow me. Here is the cardio area with treadmills and bikes.
Nice. How many treadmills do you have?
We have 20 treadmills and 15 bikes. Over there is the weight room.
Great. Do you offer fitness classes?
Yes, we have yoga, Pilates, spinning, and Zumba classes.
Wonderful. How much is the membership?
We have monthly and annual memberships. Monthly is $50.
What about yearly?
Annual membership is $500. You save $100.
That is a good deal. Are there any joining fees?
Yes, there is a one-time $50 registration fee.
I see. What are your opening hours?
We are open from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. every day.
Even on weekends?
Yes, 7 days a week. We also have personal trainers available.
How much do personal trainers cost?
$60 per hour session.
Okay. Can I start today if I join now?
Yes, just fill out this form and you can start immediately.
Perfect. I will sign up for the annual membership.
Excellent choice. Welcome to our gym family.
At a hair salon.
Hello. Do you have any appointments available today?
Let me check. What service do you need?
I need a haircut and maybe some highlights.
We have an opening at 3 o'clock. Does that work?
Perfect. How long will it take?
Haircut takes about 30 minutes. Highlights take an additional hour.
Okay, I have time. How much does it cost?
Haircut is $40. Highlights start at $80 depending on length.
My hair is shoulder length. Is that medium price?
Yes, for you it would be about $90 for highlights.
All right, so total is $130?
Yes, plus tip if you are happy with the service.
Of course. What is your name?
I am Alex. I will be your stylist today.
Nice to meet you. I am Sarah.
Please have a seat, Sarah. Would you like something to drink?
Water would be nice. Thank you.
Here you go. So what style are you thinking?
I want to keep the length, but add some layers.
Great choice. And what color for the highlights?
Something natural, like caramel or honey blonde.
Perfect. That will look beautiful with your skin tone. Let us get started.
I am excited. Thank you.
Calling in sick to work. Hello, this is Sarah calling. May I speak with Mr. Johnson, please?
Hi, Sarah. This is Alex from HR. Mr. Johnson is in a meeting. Can I help you?
Yes, I need to call in sick today. I am not feeling well.
Oh, no. I'm sorry to hear that. What is wrong?
I have a terrible headache and fever. I think I have the flu.
That sounds bad. Have you seen a doctor?
Not yet, but I have an appointment this afternoon.
Good idea. Do you think you will be back tomorrow?
I am not sure. It depends on what the doctor says.
Okay. Should I tell Mr. Johnson you will call tomorrow with an update?
Yes, please. I will call tomorrow morning to let you know.
No problem. Do you have any urgent work that needs to be done today?
I was supposed to finish the monthly report. Can someone else do it?
I will ask Tom to help with that. Don't worry about it.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Of course. Your health is more important. Get plenty of rest.
I will. I am going back to bed after I see the doctor.
Good. Make sure you drink lots of fluids, too.
I will. Thanks for understanding, Alex.
No problem. Feel better soon, Sarah. We will see you when you are well.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye. Take care.
At the gas station. Excuse me, which pump should I use?
You can use any pump. They are all available.
Okay, I will use pump number 5. How do I pay?
You can pay at the pump with a credit card or pay inside first.
I will pay with my card at the pump. What grade should I use?
What kind of car do you have?
I have a Honda Civic.
Regular unleaded is fine for that car. It is the cheapest option, too.
Perfect. How much is regular today?
$3.50 per gallon.
Not too bad. Can I also get my windshield cleaned?
Of course, there are squeegees and water buckets by each pump.
Great. Do you sell snacks and drinks inside?
Yes, we have a convenience store with lots of options.
I might grab a coffee after I fill up.
Good idea. We just made a fresh pot.
Wonderful. Oh, one more question. Do you check tire pressure?
Yes, we have a free air pump on the side of the building.
Excellent. I think my tires need some air.
Just drive over there after you fill up and I will show you how to use it.
Thank you so much for your help.
You are welcome. Have a safe drive.
Planning a birthday party.
Hi, Alex. I am planning a birthday party for my daughter. Can you help me?
Of course. How old will she be?
She will be 7 years old. I want to make it special.
That is a fun age. How many kids are you inviting?
About 15 children from her class and some family.
Nice. Where are you thinking of having the party?
I am not sure. Maybe at home or rent a place.
Renting a place might be easier with that many kids. Have you looked at any venues?
Not yet. Do you have any suggestions?
The community center has a party room. It is affordable and has lots of space.
That sounds good. How much does it cost?
I think around $150 for 3 hours.
That is reasonable. What about decorations and food?
What theme does your daughter like?
She loves unicorns. Everything needs to be unicorn themed.
Cute. You can get unicorn decorations at the party store downtown.
Good idea. What should I serve for food?
Pizza is always popular with kids. And cake, of course.
Yes, I need to order a unicorn cake too.
The bakery on Main Street makes beautiful custom cakes.
Perfect. What about activities or games?
You could hire a face painter or someone to make balloon animals.
She would love that. This is going to be amazing.
It will be. When is the party?
3 weeks from Saturday. I need to send invitations soon.
Yes, send them this week so parents can plan ahead.
Thank you for all your help, Alex.
Happy to help. Your daughter will have a wonderful birthday.
At the library.
Hello, I would like to get a library card, please.
Certainly. Do you live in this city?
Yes, I just moved here last month.
Welcome. I need to see your ID and proof of address.
Here is my driver's license. Is that enough?
I also need something with your current address, like a utility bill.
I have my phone bill here. Will that work?
Perfect. Let me make copies. The library card is free.
Wonderful. How many books can I borrow?
You can borrow up to 10 books at a time.
Great. How long can I keep them?
3 weeks. You can renew them online if you need more time.
What happens if I return them late?
There is a small fine, 25 cents per day per book.
I will make sure to return them on time. Can I borrow movies too?
Yes, we have DVDs and you can borrow up to 5 at once.
Excellent. Do you have audiobooks?
Yes, physical audiobooks and digital ones you can download.
How do I download digital books?
Use our app or website. I can show you now if you like.
Yes, please. That would be very helpful.
Here, let me write down the website. You just log in with your card number.
Thank you. Do you have computers I can use?
Yes, free for 2 hours per day. You need to sign up at that desk.
Perfect. This library has everything. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your reading.
Discussing hobbies. Hi, Alex. What do you like to do in your free time?
Hi, Sarah. I love photography. I take pictures every weekend.
That sounds interesting. What do you photograph?
Mostly nature and landscapes. I love going to parks and mountains.
Beautiful. Do you have a professional camera?
Yes, I saved for 2 years to buy it. It was expensive, but worth it.
I bet your photos are amazing. Do you share them anywhere?
Yes, I post them on Instagram. I have about 2,000 followers.
Wow, that is impressive. Have you ever sold any photos?
A few times, some magazines bought my photos for their articles.
That is so cool. You could make it a career.
Maybe someday. Right now, it is just a hobby. What about you? What are your hobbies?
I love cooking and baking. I try new recipes every week.
That sounds delicious. What kind of food do you like to make?
Italian food is my favorite. Pasta, pizza, risotto.
Yum! Do you follow recipes or create your own?
Both. I start with a recipe and then add my own twist.
Creative. Do you cook for just yourself?
No, I love having dinner parties with friends and family.
That sounds wonderful. You should invite me sometime.
I would love to. How about next Friday?
Perfect. I will bring dessert, and maybe I can take photos of your food.
Great idea. It will be fun.